In this video, I will show how to delete Windows old folder safely from Windows 11. So let's get started. At first, go to the local disk C. This is the Windows installation drive. Here, if you see a folder named Windows.old, don't delete this folder like this way. I'm going to show you how to delete this folder safely. So at first open disk cleanup, system, application, then select the drive, select the Windows installation drive, my case C drive, and then click on the clean up system files and then select C drive, click on OK. It may take a while for calculating how much space you will be able to free on the C drive. Okay, I am going to delete all of these files and also check this box to delete the previous Windows installation to remove this Windows.old folder. Okay, and also Windows upgrade log files. Now click on OK and make sure you want to permanently delete these files. Click on the delete files button. If you clean up the previous Windows installations or temporary installation files, you will no longer be able to restore the machine back to the previous version of Windows. So make sure and then select yes or no. I am going to select yes button to clean up the previous Windows installation. It may take a while for cleaning up the C drive and free up the space. Here notice the free space of this drive. That's it. Now verify, refresh, and you will see the free space has been increased. Now go into the local disk C and here Windows.old folder has gone. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. And thank you so much for watching this video.